Let's make a Baby Isaac craft project. You'll start with a paper like this, with printing on both sides. First, let's color, and we're going to start with Baby Isaac's skin. So choose a color, and color inside the lines. Once you finish his skin, color his hair, even his little baby undies. Then flip your paper over and keep coloring, here and here. Just like before, practice coloring inside the lines, just like this. Now you've got color on both sides of your Baby Isaac page. Next, let's color his toys, like this. This is where you can use your great big imagination to choose all kinds of colors. Practice coloring inside the lines until all the toys are full of super fun colors. Next, it's time to cut them out with scissors. So if you're not supposed to use scissors, then have a grown-up help you cut out all of the shapes, just like this. But wait, stop! Look at all this mess. Before we play, let's put the mess away. So the last step is to clean up the trash. Great job. To play with your Baby Isaac, fold on the dotted lines like this to wrap him up in his little baby swaddle. And fold it the other way to swaddle him up asleep. Plus, there's a fun nursery rhyme that you can sing and play along with on the back of the paper. Have fun playing and singing about how God always keeps His promises.